Zucchini chocolate cake, very simple. You've made carrot cake, I'm sure. It's in the same line. This one is chocolate and zucchini. So some nice young firm zucchini. Just let's cut off the ends here. And let's grate it. So we are ready, and let's make the batter. So first we'll sift all the dry ingredients. Some flour, the cocoa, some salt, some baking powder, and it is always important to shake all the dry ingredients together. This way they really mix well, and you'll get some air in that, and you break up the lumps, if any. As you can see, there are some lumps of the cocoa, so I'm gonna just break them with my fingers. Okay, now we will begin the batter. Let's get going. The butter and the sugar. One egg at a time. The vanilla. Okay, slow down a little bit the process. Let's alternate the dry ingredients with the oil, with the milk. I think now we can so let's get to the zucchini here. And you want the zucchini just mixed in. You really don't want it whipped together. The toasted walnuts, that fold into. And I think we are done. A buttered and floured baking pan. All right, let's collect everything off the paddle here. And let's pour it right in. So I think our work is done. A preheated 350-degree oven, and about 45 minutes, it will be done. But always test it before you pull it out, because you never know. Each oven is different. My message through food is one of nurturing, nourishing, but also of respect. Respect for food, respect for the preparation of food, respect for family and friends that gather at the table. That custom of gathering at the table is extremely important. And ultimately, respect for the whole universe. Protecting the universe by understanding how the universe feeds us. The chocolate zucchini cake has cooled, and it's ready to be unmolded. Let's go around, make sure that it comes out. I'm gonna flip it over. And then I'm gonna flip it over again. We're doing a lot of flipping here. Okay, so that looks nice. So portion-wise, I think this almost, you know, looks like a brownie. I think it's that consistency. So let's see, do we want to do like that and then make 3, or do we, yeah, those are too big. Let's do it in 3. I think, does this one have a little extra? It does, that's for me. In 3, what do you think? Yeah, okay. All right. So. It is like a brownie. How would I serve myself? Let's see. Piece like that. And then another piece like that. Kind of give it some movement in the plate. Then whipped cream. So here we have a little bit of cocoa. Do we like cocoa? Yeah, I think so. A little bit of powdered sugar, yeah. So, I think I am ready to indulge here. I am going to get a fork and take a piece. Like a brownie, almost a little better for me. Loved it because it's not very sweet at all. It's not all that sweet, but it is